What's up, guys? It's been a few minutes. We are going to talk about the FabFitFun Spring 2019 box and whether or not it's actually worth it. Just as a little disclaimer here, I have only received 2 boxes. From those 2 boxes, I think I've been able to make up my mind pretty well whether or not this is something I'm going to do long term. So there are 2 membership options. One, you can pay seasonally and it's $49.99 4 times a year. If you decide to do the annual membership, which is what I have, it's $180 once, and then you get 4 boxes for that. I think it's a really good deal, but we're just going to kind of go through all of the things in the spring box, and these are my customizations as well, so the things that I chose over other things. What is in the box? It's super soft. Okay. That's cute. I have some Victoria's Secret ones, but I feel like they're not good every day. Oh, this is nice. I actually love this. This robe from Show Me Your Moo, it is normally, if you were to buy it from showmeyourmoo.com, it is $84. $84 for this robe, which I believe is like really breathable, but it doesn't seem like it would be too see-through, you know? So that's kind of nice. Okay, another thing that is in here is this, I don't know how to pronounce this, but the Korres, K-O-R-R-E-S, Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. It is delicious. So I have been using this for a few days and I actually really do like it. Like when I wake up, my skin doesn't feel super dry. Normally, I'm a really like scaly person. This seems to work really well. It's a weightless souffle that melts instantly into any skin. If you bought it from the website, it costs $48. So this is a champagne charcoal scrub from Manicadar, and it smells so good. I love it. I go through my scrubs pretty quickly, so I was really excited when this was in the box. This costs $34.95 if you buy it from the website. So this necklace I've been wearing is by the 2 Bandits, and it's the Athens necklace. It's super pretty and like just really dainty and goes well with everything. It is normally $30, so it's like, it's a little opal bar. And it's really cute. Up next is the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. On the website is $28. I'm going to use this tonight to take this off. Next item up for grabs is it's Way, I think that's how you say it. I have no idea. Can someone tell me? The Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. This is normally $26. I honestly haven't used this because I've been using It's a 10 since a million years ago. Honestly, I have heard the best things about this, and whenever I look at reviews or anything like that, they're always pretty good. I'll let you guys know. There's a bonus item in here. It was the mystery item. So it says that it's $20. Luscious Lip Stain. No idea what brand this is. D-O-U-C-C-E. I don't know this word, okay? It's D-O-U-C-C-E. Is it Deuce? It comes with the stain and the gloss, and I really like how these look. I think they're really cute. This Dr. Brand Skincare Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel is $24. It says it's supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. I don't usually have super dark circles, but I definitely have like little bags under my eyes because I have an 8-month-old and I'm tired. Ugh, it's kind of hard to get out. Oh, it's like orangey. I'm guessing like the orange offsets the darkness. I'll let you know. Final thoughts. For the most part, it's been like win after win after win with these products. I think honestly, like the only one in this whole box that I will never use is probably this, and it's just because it's not my color. If you're just looking at it from a cost perspective, it's totally worth the price, but are you willing to switch up your routine a little bit and try new things? So I would say, like, if you're pretty set in your routine and you're not really interested in trying a new routine or trying to add something else into it, then this box is totally not for you. And that's okay. I wish I had a routine, but I don't. So for me, it's awesome because I can try new things, and you know, if I find something that I'm really, really excited about, then I do have a full-sized product that I can use until I move on to the next cool thing. Whoops. Did I ruin it? I don't personally have like a coupon code or anything like that with FabFitFun. I'm not a FabFitFun partner, but I do know of a few YouTubers who do, and I think you can get like $10 off your first box. So I'll list a few of their names down below. Make sure you go watch their videos. All right, well, that concludes the Spring 2019 FabFitFun box video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in the next video.